I completely took this apart, every part of it. This couldn't get out. I removed its pins holding the axle, started pounding it with a hammer, used oil, couldn't get that out, so I scrubbed it down as best I could. That's just rust. I got all the greasy pieces out. I removed all the grease I could. I scrubbed down the blades all with a toothbrush. Gonna have to get it a new belt. These here were completely covered in grease. I shined them up using grease remover. This is actually painted gray. Now you can see the name of the company on there, Browning. Cleaned up all the bolts. I'll put it back together, and then I'll drop more oil down inside its oil compartments. Going underneath with the nut, tighten it down, and I'll make my way to the other side. This side's all set. I had to make sure this is straight and aligned in here for there's even spacing in there. And other side, everything's back. These are all tightened down nicely. These are all tight. Before I put the pulley on, I'm gonna add the new oil to this. It's already starting to move better than it was a moment ago. There, now it's running nice and fast again. Got my Allen wrench. Now I'm going to tighten this part down. Okay, the belt is on. I know this belt needs to be replaced because of the cracks, but it'll do for now. It's on here now. I put it tighter than it was before. But at least now you can actually see it kind of shining in there. The parts are nice and shiny. Now, what I'm going to do with it is I'm going to remove this switch because this box has holes in it where you could zap yourself. I want this all sealed up nicely. And maybe put a 3-prong cord on it instead of what it has. Now I got to put on the top part, which is right here. This fits in on top. with 5 screws. That part I completely washed. Get those screws.